Cooke.
Hi, Jack. Jack. I know, sit down. That works too. So this is our beast of machine that we are taking to France/Portugal. That's Lexi. She's like the Swiss Army knife of Jeeps. We have a tent, we have a fridge/freezer, we have another sleeping space, we have food for cooking, sleeping bag, green thing, I don't know what that is. We have a spare tire. We have a weird radio thing. We have beeping noises. I don't know why that's beeping. We have walkie-talkies. We have a radio that my phone can connect to, which is essential for good music. We have a Crocodile Dundee hat. We have a curtain. We have a sunroof. We have some big ass tires. We have a winch. That's our Jeep for going to France. And I think the plan is to travel down the length of France in like 2 days. Hey. And get somewhere to the north of Portugal. That's where we're stopping. And I'll be driving a little bit. And yeah. Also, apologies that there haven't been any vlogs for a while. I keep repeating myself and saying that there's not much exciting going on, and there isn't. But now we're going on a big trip to France for the next, for me anyway, it's like 7 days. So I'll hopefully be able to record every day for that. I have my laptop and I have all my other cameras, so I don't know how. I don't know how much I'll actually be able to do because I don't know what my power situation will be, but I will do my best to get some videos out while I'm there. And that's my daddy. He'll have to get used to being on camera for the next week. Got to bring the penny just in case. Got to bring a hairbrush because you know, hygiene. Got to bring the purse because you know, money. So many things. So many things. Come on. Yes. We have to be like the first people ever to bring 3 loaves of lemon drizzle on a camping/road trip. No, sorry, they're not for you.
We won't be going to call it services.
No. Bye bye.
Bye.
And our journey begins to wherever we're going. France and Portugal and places.
France, Spain and Portugal.
France, Spain and Portugal. First we need to go to the bank and then we're going to the boat. 2 seconds into our trip and we've had to change the window button because the window wouldn't go up or down. Solid start.
If I dream of you every night, dream of you every. Can I help it if I dream of you every night, dream of you every. Can I help it if I dream of you, if I dream of you, dream of you every. Can I help it if I dream of you every? I know I dream of you every. Can I help it if I dream of you every night? I love you, 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 I l I love you, 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 I love you.
bring the suitcase up with us for what we need.
We have a
Bring
window.
them with us as well. And
What are they?
For the cabin. There are two of them.
There's like 3 things.
Yeah, there's one boarding pass and two for the cabin.
Okay. All set. You take one? This way. Ooh, look at this. Aren't we fancy? Window! So we have a window. This shit falls out. Look at that. Luxury. And we have a couch and everything. I'm a little tired, but I'm going to go explore the boat a little bit and see what's around here. Where to go? You can get your hair done. Fancy. An array of perfumes, jewellery, body rubs, sunglasses, clothes, hats, handbags. Lots of stuff. They have a cinema. Cool. Sneaking into the cinema. Didn't know they had cinemas on boats. Cool. Better go before I get in trouble. Past 8. I'm really tired. Sailing so far is actually pretty smooth. It's not too bad. Could be worse. So I think I might chill here for a bit. Maybe go to bed. We'll see how I feel. But I think I'm going to end the first vlog of the France 4x4 trip here. And hopefully I'll be able to record some stuff tomorrow. And hopefully edit my video and stuff. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the trip. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. A like rating would be great. Comment, subscribe, do all that jazz. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Check out this little touch of decor.